GLP is a global business committed to fund investment and deliver best-in-class logistics facilities. In Europe, GLP operates in 12 countries. In the UK, they currently have 58 built assets of over 12 million square feet. They take a great deal of pride in their developments. They use sustainable and environmentally sensitive construction methods. They aim to create places where businesses can thrive and where multiple opportunities are created for the local community. They also believe that long-term partnerships are the bedrock of good business and that making connections is the key to success. Magna Park in Lutterworth is Europe's biggest distribution park and is expanding into 2 adjacent sites. Already home to 32 blue-chip customers, the park will grow to over 16 million square feet over the next few years and will set new standards for design, environmental management, occupier efficiency and local job creation.
There's been many changes over the last few years. While our customers' requirement for good quality space has remained a constant, we've seen an increased demand and the term good quality finding more of a definition. Good quality for workers, with the attraction and retention of employment being more and more critical for our customers, finding workspaces with better environments are key to the success. People are moving more from a just-in-time to a just-in-case operation, meaning that they're looking for bigger buildings with more height, because every cubic metre matters. Post-COVID, we've seen more and more companies move their inner-city offices out into the ancillary offices within our warehouses. What this means is we're being challenged to really look at the office space and making it HQ worthy, something with a good impression. With sustainability being a key criteria on all of our customers' decision making, our customers have been challenging us, asking us the question, what have you done to ensure your buildings are as sustainable as they can be? This is both from a base build perspective and for their ability to further operate in an environmentally conscious way. We've responded by ensuring all of our buildings are BREEAM Excellent.
Magna Park Lutterworth, with the expansion areas at Magna Park North and Magna Park South, now extends to 1,300 acres of managed estate, which includes over 1 million mature trees, a 200-acre country park, ponds for water runoff, which are rich with wildlife and also used by occupiers as fishing lakes.
There are many benefits that the parks bring. We're able to ensure that the environment around the buildings is the same quality as the buildings themselves. We're also able to ensure that the operation of the wider park is sympathetic to and accretive to the operations going on within the businesses. Long-term relationships, whether that be with our customers directly through customer liaison groups, whether it be through the wider community. We love to get the community together and we have our annual fun days, we've got our charity bike rides, just to name a few. Through things like our HR forum, our customers are able to communicate with each other, work with each other to find out what's working, what's not, who's got more space, who needs more space. And in turn, this helps our businesses do better business.
Magnitude 314 in Magna Park, Milton Keynes, was the first ever net zero for construction building in the UK, and it was also the subject of the first ever social value study, which set about to measure the impact of the building on the local community.
We commissioned a social value report for the Magnitude 314 development, which generated this figure of £4.8 million of social value, which broke down as 2.6 million for the economic value and 2.2 million for social value. And that was derived through collecting a number of, a lot of data and information during the construction of the project relating to local employment, community benefits initiatives, working with local businesses.
GLP work very closely with local councils, with occupiers and with the local communities to make sure that the parks bring real long-term benefits to the local area.
We've been working with GLP for around 20 years now on the development of Magna Park, from the original allocation through the master planning, the detailed design, and then through the detailed planning process. And overall we're extremely pleased with the outcome. We've got a quality development here with a high number of jobs and also significant improvements to the local infrastructure.
The reason DHL came to Milton Keynes is very key because it's very good for the communications, it's good servicing of the community, and also the product that the GLP actually built makes it important. The quality of the build and knowing the quantity that we have.
If you look at the build that we've got across the campuses, not just here in Magna Park 1 and 2, they're clean, they're tidy, the environment that's built in around them is very green, not only in terms of some of the initiatives that we've got on site, but generally in and around the area that we're in. The bus routes that are linked into the campus are a big advantage to our partners and our agency that use the site. So actually recruitment has been aided by the fact that the relationship that we've got has enabled us then to grow in terms of capacity.
The reason we choose GLP in some cases is because they obviously are a trusted partner. They're a known quantity, we're dealing with professional people, and the fact of the matter is they still have the same agenda as us with regard to Go Green and our sustainability agenda. And the important thing is they are looking at the same criteria as we have with regard to building specification and ensuring that they are trying to innovate and improve on our carbon footprint to meet our sustainability agenda.
Logistics is the lifeblood of the modern economy. Magna Parks demonstrate that GLP is leading the way in well-designed, sustainably constructed, environmentally friendly and well-managed places. Our parks demonstrate the importance of forming and maintaining these partnerships with our customers, our communities, the businesses around us and the councils in creating legacy projects that we can all be proud of.